How to upgrade H&R Block Deluxe to Premium. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. Launch a preferred browser and search for HR Block Premium. From here, select on the option of Premium Online Tax Filing and E-File Tax Prep. Go ahead and select on this link. You'll be redirected to this page. And as you can see, to start a premium, it will cost you $85 plus $49 per state filed. Now, once you have ensured of this fee that will charge you, you can select on the option of Start with Premium. Next step is to enter your username, email address, or mobile number, or tap on Create Account if you don't have one. Enter email address, password, and confirm your password and agree to the terms and condition. Then select on the next option. This is your account registry. To get your hands on your H&R Block Premium, you need to have a successful payment. For that, you need to add your credit card or debit card information. That will require your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Upon the complete transaction of the payment, you'll get yourself an upgrade to H&R Block Premium. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.